So there has been a lot of debate about whether OnePlus is launching two different phones, the OnePlus 13 mini and the OnePlus 13T, or if they are the same devices with different names. Now, many of you might think the T branding makes more sense because OnePlus has used it in the past. Even I thought that at first. But when I saw the leaked specs, especially the 6.31 inches display, things got interesting. That's the same size as the upcoming Oppo Find X8s, which is also being called a mini phone. So reports started suggesting that OnePlus might name it the 13 mini, keeping it as part of their main flagship lineup. But here is the thing, OnePlus hasn't officially confirmed anything yet. There is no solid proof if it will be called the OnePlus 13T or the OnePlus 13 mini. But based on OnePlus past strategies, I think they will use a rebranding trick, naming it the OnePlus 13 mini in China and launching the same phone globally as the OnePlus 13T, or maybe even the other way around. So what's actually launching? See, for now there is only one phone in the works, just with some naming confusion. Now let's talk about the exciting part. According to DCS, despite its small size, this flagship will pack a huge 6200 mAh battery and 80 watt fast charging. If these leaks are true, OnePlus is about to set a new benchmark for flagship battery life and performance. As for the launch, the phone is expected to arrive in China first this April, but the exact date hasn't been announced yet. And for those who don't know, not only that, OnePlus is making a big change to one of its most iconic feature, the alert slider. Yup, you heard that right, they are officially removing it from their upcoming smartphones. But don't worry, it's not all bad news. Instead, they are replacing it with a brand new customizable button. This button will still let you do all things the alert slider used to do, like muting your phone, but now it will give you even more options and features to play with. Now let's talk cameras. This time, OnePlus is packing a 50 megapixel IMX906 main sensor and a 50 megapixel Samsung JN5 2x telephoto lens inside that camera module. On paper, that sounds promising, but the real question is, how well will OnePlus optimize these sensors? We have seen this before. OnePlus flagship comes with top tier hardware, but when it comes to the cameras, there is always something missing. Hopefully this time the OnePlus 13 mini deliver not just great hardware but top-notch camera optimization too. So what do you guys think? Should OnePlus go with mini or T? Drop your thoughts in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.